Hello, welcome Noble Youth. Today we will discuss how to become SBI PO, probationary officer or SBI officer. So meet me, listen carefully. First of all, subscribe, like, share, comment, press the bell icon to all my Noble Youth YouTube channel. SBI normally take 5 to 6 months for the total process after the advertisement, and these are the steps: online registration, payment of application, download call letter for preliminary exams and online exam, then declaration of the result, then the main examinations call letter download, then main exam online, main examination result, and then the final stage phase 3 interview and group discussion, group exercises, and this take 15 to 20 days, and the final result declare and join the bank as a officer. So the total time taken by the bank for this total process is 5, 6 or 7 months maximum. Okay, then the eligibility criteria is graduate in any discipline, arts, commerce, science, any, and students also can apply provisionally, but the date is fixed by the bank as decided by the bank. The candidates have to produce the graduation certificate. So be careful in this. And CA and cost accountants are also eligible to apply for the same post for the probationary officer. And the age limit is 21 years to 30 years for all the candidates except, and the reservation policy is as per the Government of India, SC, ST, OBC and others, 5 year, 10 year, etc. as per the Government of India norms, the age relaxations. Then the other important condition is candidate who record of default in repayment of loan, credit card dues, etc. and adverse remarks report in the CIBIL not eligible for appointment. So be careful, and whose characters and other things are not up to the marks, they are also not eligible to apply for the post. So before applying for the filling of the application, be careful. And the selection procedure, the bank take 3 steps for the probationary officer 3-tier process. First is the preliminary exams, and it is only for the qualifying 100 marks, and the second main phase 2 200 marks and plus 50 marks for the descriptive test. This 200 is for the objective type, and then the final 50 marks for interview and group, 30 for the interview and the 20 for the group exercises. And the phase 2's weightage is 75% in the final selections, and phase 3 25%. Preliminary exams consist of objective type test for 100 marks will conducted online on the 3 separate subject, 3 sections. First is the English language, quantitative aptitude, mathematics we called, and then reasoning ability. For English language 30 question, for quants 35 question, and 35 question on reasoning. The competition is too much high in this because due to the higher number of the candidates, so must be prepared carefully and the total 100 marks test is and for 1 hour. Next step is how to select for the main examination, selection criteria. And there is no sectional cutoff in the pre-exams, and approximate 10 times of the candidates are called for the main exams as per the top merit list. Okay, now we see the main examination phase 2. Objective type test for 200 marks and descriptive test for 50 marks. The descriptive test will be administered immediately after conclusion of the objective test, and candidates will have to type their descriptive test answers on the computer. So total 250 marks, and the detail of the objective test is given here in the, and there will be separate timing for every section of the test. First is reasoning and computer aptitude, 45 question and 60 marks, and time is 60 minutes. Then data analysis and interpretation, 35 question, 60 marks, 45 minutes. Then general economic banking awareness. This is very short syllabus for this PO test conducted by the SBI comparison to the other higher competition exams. Total questions 40 questions and 40 marks and 35 minutes. Then English language objective type test, 35 question, 40 marks and 40 minutes time. Total 155 question and 200 total maximum marks, and 3 hours are given for this. After this, the descriptive test will be conducted for 30 minutes. It will be the test of the English language, letter writing and essay with 2 questions of total 50 marks. This portion is main, objective type and descriptive is very important for the merit. So take care in this sections very easily, and no sectional cut is here. If anyone is weak in any portion out of 4, then he can achieve more marks in the others and compete and get the seats as a PO and can join as a bank officer in SBI. So this is the good point. And selection criteria for phase 3. Category wise merit list will be drawn on the basis of the aggregate marks scored in the phase 2 main examination. There will be no sectional cutoff, and approximate 3 times of the candidates of each category wise vacancies will be shortlisted for phase 3 exam from the top of the category wise merit list. Minimum aggregate qualifying marks as decided by the bank. So be careful here. Also minimum aggregate qualifying marks is very important point, because if you have achieved very good position in the phase 2, so you must take care here for achieving the maximum marks also in the phase 3. Now we come to the next. Here for the both the objective type test for preliminary and main examination, 1/4 of the marks will be deducted. 0.25 marks is penalty. 0.25 is penalty for the wrong answer, and sectional marks will not be maintained for both preliminary and the main. Again here we are mentioned, so take care about regarding this. And if any question is left blank, then no penalty will be marked in the question. And here is the detail for the interview and the group 3 phase 3. Interview for the 30 marks and group exercise for 20 marks. and as per the government directions, if COVID position is not comfortable, then bank can also conduct only interview 50 marks. But this all depends upon the government's direction at the time of the third phase. Candidate will have to score minimum qualifying marks in phase 3 also to be considered for final selection. The minimum qualifying marks will be decided by the bank. And now we discuss about the emoluments salary portion. And fresh PO get 41,960 as the basic pay. With this is with the 4 advance increments. Actually the PO's basic pay or the officer management scale 1 जो है scale 1 officer is called is 36,000, but SBI pay 41,960 as the basic pay, and also official will also be eligible for DA, dear allowances, H.R.A, house rent allowance, lease, rent. This depends upon the where you is your posting. This differ from station to station. At the metro cities, the rates are as per the scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and above also differ as per their scale. So at the metro stations, metro cities, normally the fresh PO gets 80 to 90,000 per month. And also other perks, LFC, home travel, etc. Home travel concession and many other benefits in the loans, the concessional rate for the staff, and on your deposit you will also get higher rate, and medical facilities 100% for the officer and the family and the dependents. 100% is paid by the bank, and many other allowances, newspapers, magazines allowance, petrol for conducting the bank duty, etc. And these other allowances, perquisites जो है are approximately 900 to 10-12 as per your scale you will get per month. Now here the one important portions is chances. For general 4, maximum permissible number of chances are 4. For general PWD and EW economical weaker section 7. OBC will get 7 chances, and OBC PWD will get also 7 chances. And for SC and ST, all categories of the SC and ST will get no restriction. They can appear as per their age. Many chances, all chances they can avail. And one thing is very important here, appearing in preliminary examination will not be counted as a chance. Appearing in main examination will be counted as a chance. So be careful and prepare well. Results of preliminary examination, pre-examination, main examination and final results will be made available on the bank's website. My best wishes. Again, I thank for listening this will be helpful for you, and start preparing for this. We have also uploaded some assignments regarding the mathematics which will be helpful for your exam, and we are also uploading more videos in our Noble Youth channel. So if you like this, you must subscribe Noble Youth channel. Bye. I will meet you again with new video on Noble Youth YouTube channel. My best wishes for your career. Thank you to all of you.